little squirrel there is scavenging some McDonald's out of the garbage can. I'm out in the Regal. I got an engine ping that's happening on startup, and if you touch the gas just right, everything runs good. I'll try and show you here what it's doing as soon as I have my smoke. I'll put her in gear, hit the gas, hear that little knock, and then it goes away. I'm thinking it still might be some dirty fuel in that tank. Can't really tell. Traffic going by. It is getting better because it was really hesitant. Try and put the window up there. The window seals are not the greatest, so you may hear some wind noise. She cruises along pretty good. Running fairly smooth, but you got to be very gentle on the throttle. So that's why I'm attributing probably to my gas tank cleaning. It didn't go as well as I thought. And my first tank of fuel, I put 20 liters of just regular. Then I put another 25 liters of premium. Then I put another $50 worth of premium. So I just about got a full tank of premium fuel. There's a bit of marble mystery oil in it. But we're cruising along at 100k, no problem. But if you go to goose it, oh, she's getting up and going there now. I don't want to go too fast. These tires are like 18 years old. It may be clearing up. I'll get back to you guys and let you know for sure. I think I'm just going to keep going out the highway here and see what I can burn out of it. I'll keep you posted on how it all goes. Have a good one, guys.